Let's understand what a times interest earned ratio of 10 times indicates. We'll examine this through multiple choice options. Let's look at our options. First, the firm can cover the fixed charges 10 times. Second, income before interest and taxes covers the interest obligation of the firm by 10 times. Third, the firm can pay off the interest obligations every 10 days. And fourth, the firm's debt is 10 times larger than the assets. The correct answer is B. Income before interest and taxes covers the interest obligation of the firm by 10 times. Let's understand what this means with a visual example. Let's say a company has earnings before interest and taxes, or EBIT, of $1 million. Their annual interest obligation is $100,000. The times interest earned ratio would be EBIT divided by interest expense, which equals 10 times. This means that for every $1 of interest the company owes, they have $10 of earnings available to cover it. This provides a significant safety margin for the company's ability to meet its interest obligations. This ratio is important because it helps creditors assess the company's ability to make interest payments and indicates the level of financial risk. A higher ratio, like 10 times, suggests strong financial health and lower risk for creditors.